Hi friends, I'm showing you this advanced AI news channel that has generated shocking over 4 lakh views in just the last 30 days and earn in range of $1,300 to $20,000. In previous days, if we think about creating a news channel that is serious struggling with writing, presenting and managing a studio. Nowadays, with AI creating a news channel has much easier. Let's start step by step process. Watch this video complete. You can also create your own news channel and earn money and support your family. Step 1, creating a channel. First we will create a brand new YouTube channel. Start with step number 1. Open your browser and log in to YouTube. Click on the top right corner and select switch account. If you are already signed in, view all channels and click on create a channel. Now first we find our news channel name. Go to ChatGPT and write here, I am creating a news channel. Give me some attractive YouTube channel name. Step 2, channel name. Now ChatGPT give me some name. I am looking these names, analyze according to my idea, what I want. I ask again, give me some more name. You can see another list of channel name appear in front of us. I am selecting the name Insight Viewpoint, that is unique name. After selecting the name, let's check on YouTube this channel name is new or already exists. Just check, open YouTube and write our name Insight Viewpoint. There is no channel. So I select this channel name. Okay, now I write here Insight Viewpoint. Choose a name into YouTube and then click the create button. Our channel has been created successfully. Now let's customize our channel to make it look professional. Click on customization, then basic info. This is our channel name. After that, this is our username. It's very good if your channel name is your channel handle. Now we will add a proper description to our channel. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask for a channel description. I am giving the prompt, my channel name is Insight Viewpoint. Please write a slogan and YouTube description for this channel. ChatGPT has generated a description with a slogan. Copy the description and paste into your YouTube setting. Then click the publish button. Now step 3, branding. Okay, now we need to upload a channel logo and channel banner. To create a logo and banner, I will use Canva. You can use any other tool as well. After login in your Canva account, search for logo. Then click on blank. You will see variety of logo templates. Since we need a news channel logo, search for news logo. In the search bar, I like this logo. After selecting your desired design, customize it as needed. After editing, download the logo and return to YouTube. Upload your logo. Okay, our logo has been uploaded. Now we need a channel banner image. Go back to the Canva homepage, search for YouTube banner and select blank. Then search for news YouTube channel banner. You will find several options. Choose the best one and customize it accordingly. Download the image. Okay, now upload the banner image. Our last step of this part is uploading the video watermark. Upload the logo image again. After completing all the steps, click publish. Alright, our channel is now ready. Step 4, search for news. Let's move on to creating news content. The question is, how do we collect news for our AI news video? The answer is Google News. Go to Google News and select a piece of engaging news for your video. After selecting the news, copy it into a doc file. Okay, our news is ready. Step 5, voiceover. Now open Play HD for text to voiceover. Click here to change the voice. Select the voice which is better. I am selecting this. Now copy first paragraph and paste here. And click here to generate voice. Now play and
Previously,
check the
WhatsApp
voice
users sending
from
photos would
here.
see the images automatically compressed and the resolution reduced to 920x 1280 to save storage space and keep image sharing fast over low bandwidth data connections.
And download the audio file. Two more paragraphs I am going to convert in voiceover. Same you can do for entire article. Now our audio file is ready. Step 6, AI Avatar. Now let's create a news presenter. For this we will use an AI tool called Hagin. The link is in the description. Hagin website. Click Try Hagin for free. Sign in and create an account. Find the Start with an Avatar option and select it. You will find a range of human-like avatars. Choose one and customize it. You can even swap the face and upload your own. After editing, click Save as New. Select your customized avatar and click Create Video. Copy the first paragraph of your news from the doc file. Change the voice model if needed. Click Submit. Hagin give only one credit for free. After creating an AI news avatar and download it in your folder. Step 7, AI Lip Synchronize. Open way2 Lip AI tool. Link is in description. This is open source software. Connecting the server with Google Colab, click on the connect button here. After that, move to step 1 and click on the play button. Then click run anyway. This will take some time to step up your server. Next, there is a section about YouTube video lip sync, but we will use our own video. So you can skip that part and scroll down to where we will use this option. Click on the play button for step 2. Importantly, avoid making any changes here. Just click the play button. Now upload the file that was generated by Hagin. Scroll down to step 3. In this step, we will upload the voiceover that was generated by PlayHD. Keep in mind that this tool can create lip sync from only 1 minute at a time. Do not upload audio longer than 1 minute. After uploading the audio file, move to step 4 and click the play button. This AI tool will take some time to create the lip sync. Alright, our video is ready. Simply click on the 3 dot menu and download it to your folder. After downloading the video, go back to step 3, click the play button again and upload the second audio clip. Then scroll down to step 4 and click on the run button. Wait for some time. Once the process is completed, download the second video. Repeat the same process with the other audio clips and create video with these audio tracks. After generating video with all the audio clips, it's time to create a background or news environment to import our video. You can download newsroom stock footages from various websites. I am already downloaded. After downloading the newsroom video, now move to step 8, edit video. Let's proceed to edit the video clip. You can use any video editing software for this purpose. In my case, I am using CapCut because it's user friendly. and perfect for beginners. Open your chosen video editor and import all the footages into the media folder. Start by placing the intro scene on the timeline, followed by adding the news background and the video clip. Organize them in consecutive orders. I will fast forward through this step. Alright, our editing is now complete. Let's export the final video. Congratulations, we have successfully created our news video. Let's check this out.
Previously, WhatsApp users sending photos would see the images automatically compressed and the resolution reduced to 920 by 1280 to save storage space and keep image sharing fast over low bandwidth data connections. After updating, they'll have the option to send images to friends and family in HD quality, which equates to 3024 by 4032 resolution. The rollout of the feature was announced by Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg via a Facebook post. Version 23.16.0 of the app adds a HD button at the top of the photo sharing screen, next to the other image editing tools. Tapping the HD button brings up a pop-up allowing users to switch from the default standard quality to HD quality.
Now let's move on to the final step, uploading the video to our brand new YouTube channel. Simply click on the create button and select your video file. Provide a relevant title, create a catchy thumbnail, and add relevant tags. Once you have completed these steps, publish the video as public. Great job! We have successfully created a news channel using AI. Feel free to share your experience and result in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.